Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to order an OnJuno debit card. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Card tab. On this tab, scroll down a little and you will see a question that says, "Are you a bit of card collector?" Then beside it, you will see an Order Card button. Click on Order Card. Now, review your shipping address. If everything looks good, click on Confirm an Order. That's how you order an OnJuno debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.